Having healthy, long, natural hair or relaxed hair shouldn't be so difficult to achieve. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to achieve a healthy hair, whether you are old or young, using a simple recipe we can make at home. And this can also help to control hair breakage, increase your hair density. But hey, you have to promise yourself two things. Number one is to watch the video long enough to gain all the necessary information you need, which means watch to the end. Number two, you have to stay consistent when you're done making your own hair mask. All I need you to do is to use this hair mask twice in a month, and I guarantee you'll see results. First ingredient we need here is lavender seed. You can use lavender flower, and we also need rosemary leaf. Whether you have the fresh one or the dry one, please make use of it. So we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of each into the pot, then pour in 2 cups of water. In order for this to infuse, we need to boil it on a very low heat. Okay, next we need to prepare our fresh aloe vera. You can use your store-bought aloe vera, but I'll prefer the fresh one because it has all the nutrients intact. Before squeezing out your aloe vera juice, please make sure to wash thoroughly. You can even soak this overnight or just soak it for an hour or two before squeezing out the aloe vera juice from it. And in case you don't know, aloe vera is a humectant, which means it draws moisture into your hair. It is a moisturizer, a natural moisturizer. So you really need to get hold of aloe vera in case you haven't. Next, we need to blend the aloe vera into a very smooth consistency. Do not add water, just blend it like that. Okay, then you strain out your aloe vera mixture and keep it aside. And now we're about to infuse our oil. You know the oil we made in this video? Yeah, if you haven't seen the video, please check the description box. The full video is there. Or you can use any carrier oil of your choice, such as olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil. I prefer to use my own oil that I formulated. If you want to watch the full video, like I mentioned earlier, it's in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to allow the oil to infuse while I'm putting in my powders. So I'm adding in Chebe powder 2 tablespoons. Next is cinnamon powder 1 tablespoon is enough. You just get your cinnamon sticks and blend it into a powder form. Then get your Neem powder 2 tablespoons and Moringa powder 2 tablespoons. Of course, this hair growth mask won't be complete without the Fenugreek powder and amla powder. So 2 tablespoons of Fenugreek powder and 3 tablespoons of amla powder. Next, we need to pour in the water that we boiled earlier. Yeah, so you're going to strain it out first of all. After straining it out, then you pour in 1 cup of it into your powder mixture. Please pour little by little so that you will not have any lumps and you get a very smooth consistency. If you haven't subscribed already while watching this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. And if you have someone that has issues with his or her hair, please share with them. Okay, even children can use this hair mask. The child has to be 5 years old and above. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section concerning the hair mask, and I'll be there to reply in case you have any question. As you can see, the hair mask is thick. Okay, you can see how thick it is, so we need it to be a little bit runny, a little. So I'm going to add more water inside and stir it up again and again. So after this round of stirring, I'm still going to be adding in my warm oil. And if you can remember what I said earlier, you can use any oil of your choice. Just make sure you have good oils that you are using, either coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, or even avocado oil. It's okay, right? So make sure you warm your oil a little, then you just pour a little of the oil into this hair mask, right? Then you stir up very well. Next thing you're going to be doing is to add in your aloe vera juice. Of course, we need aloe vera juice to be in here. If aloe vera juice is not in here, then it will not have enough moisture for it to operate with. So you have to add in your aloe vera juice inside this hair mask mixture. Then you stir up again. So after the aloe vera, you're going to be adding in your essential oils. Essential oils helps your product to perform better. If you put essential oil in your hair growth oil, it will help your hair grow faster. If you put essential oils in your hair mask, it will help it perform better. If you put essential oil in your hair growth tea spray, it will help your hair growth tea spray perform better. Okay, so I'm going to be using rosemary essential oil, half teaspoon of it. Then I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, which is optional, but please, if you have black seed oil, get hold of it. Okay, last but not the least, I'm going to be putting my vitamin E oil, or should I say vitamin E capsule. So 2 of it is enough. Then I'll do my final stirring, and yeah, that is it for how to make this perfect infused I don't know what to say again, but potent hair mask. That is it for how to make the hair mask, guys. Give it a try and let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. Okay, so you're going to use this hair mask twice in a month, and I guarantee you'll definitely see results. I'm going to be showing you how I intend to use this hair mask, how to apply it properly in order to see results. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload. Take care. Bye.